Yo, what up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fixing Stuff. We got an 03 Mercury Mountaineer here. 4-wheel drive, 4.0. We got an axle option in here. We've got our drain and our fill up there. Our drain is a 3/4 inch drive plug. Let's see, if you don't have a 3/4 inch breaker bar or something, like me, you can get one of these adapters really cheap. Goes on a 1/2 inch. And then we've got our fill plug. Got a little magnetic tip in there. There was some crud, clean it out good. 3/8 drive. They did not want to come out. Wire brush them off, spray them with PB Blaster, whatever you got to do. I thought I was going to have to bust the torch out, but it came out. Alright, now, once she's all drained, the fluid's pretty nasty. Once she's all drained, we're going to put that drain plug back in. Then we got our fill plug. Got this cross member in the way. So we're going to use a hose and a pump. You buy these pumps for like $5.99, like Harbor Freight or something. Right there. And the capacity for this is 3.6 pints. Right there on the axle, it says 7590. 7590 for our fluid. The parts store and my chart says it takes 7540. Pretty straightforward though. As long as you can get the drain and fill plug to come out easily. Just draining the fluid. Put the plug back in, the drain plug. Fill it up with a pump bottle. Use the good stuff. We got Lucas synthetic, 3.6 pints capacity, and the maximum fill on this is a 1/4 inch below the fill plug. So that means this fill plug here, you can stick your finger in and feel the fluid. And it should be a 1/4 inch below that. That's what it should be. 3.6 pints should get us there, according to my chart and the parts store. Oh, pretty simple one, as long as those plugs come out.